Hi everybody, it's Stretton Rutherford from Prosperity People Systems and Prosperity Home Network. It's April 6, 2020, and I just wanted to extend my efforts, my lead sources, and my assistance during these turbulent times. I know it's really hard right now, and we're all suffering. God, I've been at the house here in France for a few weeks now. I haven't left actually. And it's pretty rough. Today is a nice day. It's spring. It's nice and sunny outside, so I'm getting my vitamin D3. Join me in Prosperity People Systems. I've been doing that program for a couple years now, but I've been doing that type of money platform, big ticket, for over 16 years. I have all the sources and leads in place. If you just stick with it and are consistent, especially now, you will win. You will make some money. I'm still doing it. Everything's fine. I know it's hard right now. People are concerned, but you got to push through this. My other program is the flyer program, Prosperity Home Network, and that's out of San Diego. That's a well-established mail, direct response mail order company, and just mail flyers and make $100 to $2,000 per week in some cases. I'm just doing that online right now, though. I used to be a big mailer, physical mailer, and stuff envelopes and do all that back when I was in San Diego. But right now, I'm just doing that exclusively online. I have one source that's doing extremely well for the flyers, so I will show you that source. I'm using that source also with the Prosperity People Systems. So give me a call. The links, the phone numbers are in the description below. I'm putting this on YouTube today. Go ahead and subscribe if you like. Hit the bell. Check all. Make sure you get updated on all my videos. But yeah, I'm here. I'm full-time, semi-retired here, and I'm in France right now. Stuck in France. But we are making money. So give me a call, email, text me. I'd love to talk to you, and I will get you started. And I will be a great support system to you. So thanks so much, you guys. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.